Botpress lets you build powerful chatbots without being a coder. Here's how to make money with it in 2025. Step 1. Go to botpress.com and create an account. Use their visual flow builder to design chatbots for websites, apps, and customer service. Step 2. Pick a niche, like real estate, e-commerce, coaching, or appointment booking. Step 3. Build bots that answer FAQs, collect leads, schedule calls, or guide users, customized for each client's needs. Step 4. Monetize by selling custom bots to small businesses, charging monthly for chatbot management, packaging bots with landing pages or email flows, offering done-for-you automation services. Step 5. Promote your work on LinkedIn, Fiverr, or local business groups. In 2025, every business wants automation. Botpress helps you deliver it and get paid.